We are pleased to show you the 2020 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, tires, front all-terrain. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.